In this video I'm going to show you the BWT BC40, and this is a rechargeable pool vacuum that's designed to pick up leaf debris in your pool. And in the box is a charger for the vacuum. Also included in the box is this user manual, and it comes in 11 different languages. That's why it's so thick. This is actually a pretty simple device to operate. And it comes with one bag for the vacuum. You can see the vacuum itself is pretty compact. This is the propeller on top that pulls in the leaf debris. And on the bottom are these brushes and these wheels. This cleaner should move pretty freely on the bottom of the pool. And on the back is the pole connector, and you can see it has a spring here so it can be pushed down as you're moving the cleaner along. It also has this V-clip here. And so you would connect your standard pool pole to this part here. And on the back here is a charging port for the cleaner. And here's the on-off switch. You want to make sure that when you turn on the cleaner that your hands aren't near the propeller. On top of the bag is this float, and you can see that this bag is pretty see-through, so it's not a super fine micron bag. This is made mainly for leaf debris, and it won't work too well on dirt in the pool. And the bag is really simple to put on. And to remove it, you would do the same thing. So let me connect it to my pole here, and I'll drop it in the pool, and let's see how this thing does. So I'll be the first to admit that I had my doubts about this cleaner because of the compact size. It has a toy-like look to it, and I figured it wasn't going to pick up any leaf debris. So I was really surprised when it was actually picking up the debris. Now I have to move a little slow here because of the compact size and the larger leaf debris that's here in this pool, but it does an effective job of picking up the debris. And it has a water sealed internal 2000 mAh battery, which gives it a 75-minute runtime, which is pretty incredible for such a small device. It takes about 4 to 6 hours to charge it, and it's a pretty effective vacuum for leaf debris. Again, you can't move really quickly in here, and the wheels don't swivel, so it's not extremely maneuverable, but it does get the job done by lifting and kind of tilting it and moving around the pool. And again, I was pretty impressed by this little device and how effective it is. It doesn't really look like it would work as effectively, but it does. So the BC40 did a lot better than I thought. You can see that I was moving it kind of slow in here because of all the leaf debris. I had to go slow to pick up everything. So let me show you the leaf debris that I picked up here. You can see all the debris it picked up here, and it does a really good job with the larger leaf debris. Looks like I cut this leaf in half when it picked it up. So the BWT BC40 is a compact leaf vacuum, and I was really surprised how well it did given its compact size. Leslie's Pool Supplies has been do-it-yourselfers and pool trade professionals' trusted partner since 1963, providing quality products and services to make pool care easy and solutions and expertise to do it right.